Today, I'm going to share with you the designs and the story of my client wasting $10,000 on poor design and evading user experience design for a SaaS startup idea. Okay. So, story is that 3 years ago, one of my clients, he actually, approached me that I need to design a financial analyst data analysis app. So we started discussing different ideas, but different competitors, how we are going to design this whole interface, how onboarding flows should be, so all that stuff. And actually I designed one or two flows, some of the information architecture problems. There were a lot of data depths or different categories, then another category inside that category. So there was a lot of stuff going on. So I actually proposed him one design which I am going to show you in just few minutes. So you can also I'm also going to share full screens of that design. So what happened is actually I think within just 1 month or 2 months of design process, he actually just skipped the whole design phase and he said, okay, wrap up the design, I'm going to go with the developers. So he had four developers and they were remote team. And he actually extracted me, a user experience designer, from the team. And this is where he lost all his money. So the developers, they just keep on doing different stuff and producing that design which was terrible. They actually translated my design terribly. It was not even 20% what I designed. Okay. After 2 years, I got an email from the same client and he said, okay, I want the access to those Figma files we designed 2 or 3 years back. Okay. I said, okay, I can give you the access. I just granted the access. And I asked him, how is it going with your app, your startup? And he said, we are nowhere close to even showing a working prototype to our investors. So he wasted 2 years of time along with a lot of money. I almost guess that it would be around 10K because he had a team of four developers, and that I guess at least $10,000. So the lesson here is never ever underestimate the importance of user experience design for SaaS startups, SaaS companies, SaaS software. If you have a web app, you have an AI app, whatever you have, design matters a lot. Design is just not the buttons, the colors. It is how the app is going to flow, how your design actually provides uh, simple usability, efficiency to your users. So they are delighted, they are going to easily complete their tasks. So this is actually the main purpose of user experience design for a SaaS startup. So I actually provide SaaS UX design services on my website prodesign.tech. I have a very small agency, very few people. I have like we are just a team of like 4 to 5 people, and so the cost is not too much. But I think you can save $10,000 next time when you hire a user experience designer. So I'm going to show you my contact email and everything at the end of the video. So let's see this design and I'm going to share with you what was actually happening. So it was a data source or data analysis app for financial investors. So they can dig down the data. You can see these are four data trail. So this is the lowest or the topmost category. Inside it, and this is what the user has selected. So this is how I actually designed. These are all the data sources. You can search over here and you can generate tables. You can select different columns, which one you want to see, which one you want to extract on a single screen. No need to go to settings or somewhere else to select or deselect those columns. Then they can also bookmark this data set. There were news and updates around this data sets or around this whatever data they were trying to analyze. They can also filter with values. There was a lot of things we actually discussed, and I don't want to show you what developers did, but that was really terrible. This was a bookmark screen. These are few components highlighted. You can see over here bookmarking. Then we have table chart view. Then they can also search the column like this, which column they want to, this was basically column filters. And you can see they can also customize the time duration of that data set, like 1 week, 2 week, 1 day, 1 hour, whatever the value they can add. So a lot of research, we did a lot of meetings, we did a lot of things, but the result is never ever skip your user experience design, or don't extract a user experience designer from your team. One other This is the second time my clients actually came back to me after wasting their money. This is the second example. The first one actually wasted $3,000, and again 2 years of time. This one again wasted a lot of money. Another one, he actually extracted me. I'm not going to say his name, but he's now asking me to provide the access to his design files, which I'm delaying. So uh, sometimes you learn your lesson with time and setbacks. So if you are a SaaS startup owner or a founder, or trying to create or design a startup, make sure you hire a proper user experience designer who can plan and strategize your design, whether it's a web app, website, or your mobile app, or whatever you are building. So this is my 2 cents about why user experience design is so important for SaaS companies and SaaS startups or AI startups. Whatever the startup is, design matters a lot. This is my message of this video. I will meet you in another video. You can see my information, my website, my phone number, my email. You can contact me if you have any projects in mind. If you want to build a SaaS company or SaaS startup or whatever you want, you can you can come to me, and we can have a discussion or discovery free meeting of 15 minutes, and we can move further. Okay, till then, take care, bye bye, and we'll see you soon in another video.